journey begins from Ma to Mom. Please, can you explain that?
Well, Ma to Mom is, a woman who is taking care of her own child, and then the journey begins from house to the office to their own field, going out, working and creating their own self-identity. So that is how Ma to Mom reflects.
So, what's your inspiration about this? I guess you are also mom.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what's your inspiration about the same thing?
See, being a mom doesn't mean that you should sit at home and just taking care of your own son or daughter. It's about creating your own identity also. So going out, working and creating your self identity is all about Ma to Mom journey.
Okay, thank you. Anything else you want to add about this?
Well, I'm Shweta Roy. I'm the owner of SR Queens Media Private Limited. I'm also in a field of creating difference among women. Wherein I myself is a believer of self-love, and I really want that women should come forward and create their own identity, and of course they should come out of their own shell, and yes, so that's why I started this India Green Pathway, wherein I not get any kind of barriers, wherein there is no barriers of height, weight, and looks of course doesn't matter. So what matters is your own confidence and how you are coming out of your own shell. So my season 2 is also coming. Season 1 was a great success, and yes, so we are looking forward for our next event, that is season 2 Mrs. India Queen by SR Queens Media Private Limited.
Out of the world, I'm so much happy. I got this award from FIFA. Thank you so much to recognize my work. Thank you. Thank you.
Everyone around me told me that,
So first of all, I would like to thank Ma to Mom, the FIFA community, and my entire family members, my clients, my husband, everyone. All of you deserve this, and this is dedicated to all of you. As they rightly say, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीन, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. So this is for all of you. This is to Ma to Mom. This is to PIFA. Thank you so very much. Thanks a lot. Today I'm on cloud 9. Seriously, the community like Ma to Mom who gives really sapno ki udaan and wings to our dreams. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So PIFA Award is Pinnacle Fame Awards 5th edition we are hosting here. Thank you to Auto Hanger Mercedes for hosting us here. और इसके पीछे कारण ये है कि एक छोटा सा एप्रिसिएशन किसी को बहुत आगे तक लेके जाता है. तो इसीलिए हमने ये शुरू किया. जो विमेन है वो इतना कुछ करती हैं, बट वो एक एप्रिसिएशन कि खाना कैसा बना है वो करने के लिए कोई तैयार नहीं है. तो वो बार बार पूछती है नमक ठीक है, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट टू नो is the food cooked nicely. So we thought to make a platform in which we start appreciating women. This is the 5th edition of PIFA. We got over 1,000 nominations and we are awarding the 63 best chosen by an independent jury. So we are proud to host this. It is curated by Ma to Mom, which is a community of over 80,000 moms connected across the globe.
What's the inspiration about this whole event?
So the inspiration is again, as I said, कि बच्चों को हम बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, बट बड़ों को अप्रिशिएट करना भूल जाते हैं, और बड़ों को भी कुछ अप्रिसिएशन लगता है, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वी आर अप्रिशिएटिंग ऑल द वुमेन आउट हियर. द चेंज मेकर्स, द थीम इज चेंज द कन्वेंशन एंड बी द चेंज.
According to you, who is a change maker?
अ चेंज मेकर इज़ अ पर्सन जो बदलाव शुरू करता है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको लगता है ये बदलना चाहिए, वो बदलना चाहिए, पर वो बदलाव शुरू कौन करे? अगर आप वो हैं जो बदलाव शुरू करते हैं, तो यू आर एट PIFA stage today.
And we would like to thank Mrs. Kinjal, Mrs. this award, and we are very, very honored.
Thank you. Ma'am, you are looking very gorgeous tonight, and
you
also
so
you are
much.
getting the Fashion Entrepreneur of the Year
Yes.
from FIFA 2021. What do you
Yes.
want to say about this?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So what is also getting
I can't hear you. I'm not able to hear you.
Also, ma'am, you are getting the award from FIFA 2021 Powered Award. Like, what do you want to say about this?
Oh, first, I would like to thank FIFA 2021 and Matu Mom for acknowledging me for this award. And I'm really having a fun right now. The orange punk really means a lot to me.
Thank you.
I am very much thankful for the FIFA award, and this award dedicated to my mom, and I strongly believe I am a strong woman because of my strong women raised me. So this award dedicated to lastly and forever to my mom. Completely motivated because this is the first time as an ecopreneur I have been awarded, and also I am very, very proud because this year I have been awarded as the best ecopreneur company of the year. And FIFA is a huge platform. I thank for this beautiful recognition. I feel completely humble and honored at the same time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing it is. The feeling is very amazing. I would like to thank my family, my husband, my mother. Because of her support, I am here. And the purpose coaching I am into is for the women who are not able to conceive. And we help them with a framework to come out of the pain which they are into. So thanks everyone for all the support, and FIFA and the FIFA founder. Thank you everyone. Thanks.
It's my dream, wish coming true to be associated with Matu Mom, and it's an honor from Jyoti and Matu. Thank you.
I think being here with such amazing, strong and powerful women, it's one amazing feeling. When you come to a stage like this, you kind of realize that there is so much talent and so talent from various states of India. So I think it is one great feeling to be under one roof, getting this award recognized for the kind of work. And thank you so much, Jyoti Agarwal and FIFA, for this recognition. Thank you.
Thank you.
Community of, because as women we are all multitaskers. What we miss, what we only miss is that spark of motivation which makes us get up every single day and makes a difference of who I am as me, a person, and bring the same me with the same enthusiasm on the why I think the word woman itself means perfection. Let's not fight for perfection, because what perfect gets defined is by the normal society norms, by someone else. I need to be comfortable in my own skin, by my own self, by being me, and that's what perfect is. The pure definition of me is perfect. Thank you.
I won an award, and apart, I'm really thankful to the community, and these kind of awards, they give a lot of encouragement to young mothers like us who want to restart their career but are not sure how to do it. So thank you so much FIFA, and thank you so much Matu Mom community for honoring us with this. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड आई वांट टू थैंक ज्योति एंड माटू मॉम, क्योंकि आई एम अ बडिंग स्टोरी राइटर. आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड स्टोरी टेलिंग. इट्स बीन अ ईयर. द रिस्पॉन्स हैज़ बीन अमेजिंग, एंड टू गेट रिकग्नाइज्ड विद इन अ ईयर has been an amazing thing for me. So thank you Matu Mom, thank you FIFA Awards, thank you Jyoti for recognizing, and thank you to all the juries for taking time out and going through everything. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I would say it is a very amazing feeling, very motivating to get award in a prestigious event like this, where women from all walks of life getting award for excellence in their field. It's very motivating, and I'm very happy to have this award.
The award from FIFA 2021. What do you want to say about that?
I am thrilled. Thank you so much FIFA for giving me this opportunity to take up on the stage and recognizing my
award from FIFA 2021. What do you want to say about this?
I am very glad to come here, and I am very happy to see all of this, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और मैं स्टूडेंट रॉयल्स हूँ। मैंने काफ़ी लोगों की लाइफ चेंज किए हैं, और अभी और भी बहुत कुछ करना है मुझे अपनी लाइफ में। काफ़ी बड़े बड़े लोगों का मैंने एस्ट्रो न्यूमरोस किया हुआ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I want to say that this is an amazing initiative that FIFA is running. Ma to Mom, I think, is doing a wonderful job, because I think women need to be felicitated at every opportunity possible. So I'm really thankful to FIFA for doing this, and Ma to Mom, and Jyoti and Tejal. So thank you so much, and I hope to keep seeing more and more women achievers coming and taking these awards. Thank you.
मैं सबसे पहले तो फीफा और ज्योति अग्रवाल जी का बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगी। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि उन्होंने बहुत डिफरेंट फील्ड की महिलाओं को चूज़ किया और उन्हें यहाँ पर इकट्ठा करके उनको एक अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया। जैसे मैंने स्टेज पे भी कहा कि हम लोग अवार्ड के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन जब हमें अवार्ड मिलता है तो बहुत खुशी मिलती है कि हमने जो भी मेहनत की है, जितना भी काम किया है, वो एक सफल रहा। और यहाँ पे आने के बाद जितनी भी फील्ड की अलग अलग जो फीमेल हैं, वो अपने काम में जितनी माहिर हैं उतनी ही गॉर्जियस हैं। तो मुझे यहाँ पर आकर के बहुत खुशी हो रही है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much, FIFA 550, for giving me this honor and express myself in this prestigious stage. Thank you very much, all the organizers.
Hello, I am Rashmi Malik. I am in Sustainable Jewelry. Thank you, FIFA. Thank you, Ma to Mom, Jyoti Agrawal, my son, for giving me this opportunity.
I'm really excited and thankful to FIFA community for this award. I've got the award as the Emerging Influencer of the Year, and professionally I'm into videos and events production. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I'd like to congratulate everyone who got an award today. Thank you.
The award from FIFA 2021. What do you want to say about this?
Well, I am very honored because of what I've been through in domestic violence, and through my ordeal I got to change the law whereby all the women get equal opportunity to get protection under domestic violence, which was not so before. And this section 2Q was scrapped by the Supreme Court in my case. And thank you very much. I really appreciate FIFA for doing this, and I want all the women in India to know that they are in a better position now under the Domestic Violence Act.
It's an amazing initiative in the community. Such communities really help us and encourage us to come out and start our own things in spite of so many other responsibilities. So I really thank Ma to Mom and all the sponsors for such opportunities.
Thank you. Many thanks to the Friends of the World for hosting this wonderful event, and thank you.
Everybody behind me, especially my parents, my husband, my partner, Shruti and also Martha.
Thank you so much, Ma to Mom and FIFA Awards, for acknowledging our achievements. Thank you so much for recognizing us. Thank you.
Jyoti Agarwal ji, thank you to the team of Ma to Mom. Thank you so much.
after taking care of their homes. Sorry, come on. Hi, I would like to say that all these gorgeous women, after taking care of their homes, they take out time and organize like big events all by themselves. All the women-powered show. So I feel very happy for them. See the cheer and see the positivity. So I feel happy for them, and I wish the best to them.
My name, I'm Dr. Sangeeta Shirname. I'm representing Indic Society for Education and Development. हमारे organization social work, education and underprivileged काम करता है. Thank you Ma to Mo and Jyoti Agarwal for honoring us and recognizing our work. Thank you.
आज मुझे अवार्ड मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑफ द ईयर. मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे. मेरा नाम है पूजा जांबोडकर और मेरे पेज का नाम है कांगा जनी इंडिया. मैं कहती हूँ पेरेंटिंग के बारे में, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में और ऑफकोर्स फिटनेस के बारे में. तो मैं बहुत शुक्रमंद हूँ माँ टू मॉम कम्युनिटी का फीफा अवार्ड का मुझे अवार्ड देने के लिए.
Thank you so much. I'm really overwhelmed with this. This is called Nainat Ka Kamai today. The fashion show which you have seen here is choreographed by me, and I'm super happy and excited to work with this amazing community, Ma to Mom. And I am my gratitude and kind thanks to FIFA Awards, and I'm super excited, and congratulations to Jyoti Agrawal and full team of Ma to Mom. And this is, I would say that I'm really proud of myself that I transform myself to Ma to the mom. And thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
See, this is a very beautiful initiative. Women empowerment की हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत इसके लिए इनिशिएटिव ले रही है और बहुत कुछ काम इसके सिलसिले में किया गया है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि जो मतलब नॉन प्रोफेशनल लोगों के साथ में ये चीज़ की जा रही है और उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मौके दिए जा रहे हैं नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए. और विमेन जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं या फिर मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हैं, जो भी है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये आगे बहुत अच्छा चलता रहे और इस तरह से और आगे बढ़े ये लोग. और जो एंथुसियाज़म आप देख ही रहे हैं कितना अच्छा है. एंड और अब एक महसूस होता है यहाँ पर आकर के जो विमेन का जो पावर है वो हमेशा स्टैंड आउट करता है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड अमेजिंग अबाउट इट.
आई थिंक एनी विमेन के इवेंट में आने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. आई थिंक इसीलिए विमेन अवार्ड्स में आने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है बिकॉज हमारी कम्युनिटी को इनकरेज करा जाता है और हमें इतने अच्छे अचीवर्स से मिलने का मौका मिलता है जो उनको हम नॉर्मल लाइफ में नहीं मिल पाते. हम लोग बिकॉज कैमरा के आगे और पीछे होते तो शायद हमें थोड़ा लोग ज़्यादा जानते हैं. बट आई थिंक दीज आर द पीपल हू मेक स्टार्स. सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर. थैंक यू.
Ma to Mom, what do you want to say about this? Ma to Mom, what do you want to say about this?
आई थिंक ज्योति मुझे कुछ साल पहले मिली थी एक और अवार्ड फंक्शन में और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ऐसे करके वो कोर्सेज चलाती है. आई सेड ये ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आई थिंक यू कांट टेक अवे फ्रॉम अ वुमन. सो बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. एंड उसका अवार्ड फंक्शन आ रहा है. सो इट्स ऑब्वियसली दे गोइंग वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. एंड आई थिंक एवरी वुमन like transforms herself when she becomes a mom, and I wish every woman the very best, and I congratulate each and every woman because I know they are winners in themselves.
मुझे एक्चुअली मेरा गाने का अप्रिसिएशन मिला है यहाँ पे जिसका नाम है मुझे उठने दो, जो इंडिमस चैनल पे रिलीज़ हुआ है. और वो गाना है एनिमल्स के ऊपर कि उनकी जो दशा है आज के वर्ल्ड में, लोगों को सेंसिटिविटी मिले उनके लिए और उनके लिए भी भावनाएं हम रखें. वी नीड टू चेंज आवर आउटलुक क्योंकि आज का थीम है बी द चेंज. वी नीड टू अकोमोडेट एनिमल्स इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. एंड थैंक यू फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग माय म्यूजिकल वर्क, माय सॉन्ग मुझे उठने दो.
बहुत इलेटेड फील हो रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच, स्पेशली because this is dedicated to powerful women and to empower them, and I feel privileged and it's really grateful that you guys called me and I've been awarded this award. Thank you.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about Ma to Mom's journey?
Ma to Mom's journey is like, thank you so much. Though I don't know much about it, I would say it is a woman to another woman. So you know the energy that they transpire to each other, the soul connection they have for each other. I think that's what keeps them together.
Let's put your hands together for Sneha and Masood. Like to say a word?
Thankful to Jyoti and Majiban for this award, PIFA award. I'm Anupama Paddy, founder and CEO of Dhani Group. Dhani is into organic foods and eco-friendly handicrafts. And I'm really grateful for this award. Thank you so much.
Please can you speak some louder?
I appreciate you a lot more. Thank you so much. Actually, my field is basically men's work, but I entered in this field and it's very hard to
function which was organized by Matu Mom, and to see women being empowered, and I'm looking forward to many such events organized by Matu Mom, and I wish them a lot of success. Well, I've been associated with Matu Mom since a good amount of time. Some recipe sessions with them. Seeing how they're growing, and it's a wonderful way they're growing, and I wish them all the success in the world.
So I want to say that I'm very proud of my brand. I'm very proud of my brand, and I want to give people organic, chemical-free products. Keep on launching your products, new products in the market.
Apart from this, you want to add something more about this?
Yeah, definitely. Because right now in the market we have a lot of brands, but they claim a lot. But I want to fulfill the thing. I want to fulfill what they do.
Please come.
Everyone, I'm Anubha Goyal from Kiosh Events. I really thank Matu Mom community, Jyoti Agarwal, PIFA Awards for giving me this honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next.
Yes. So I think this is a wonderful initiative of Matu Mom that all the women are given encouragement. They all are the change, and I think that I like the more idea of change the convention. We all are together and we are making a beautiful world for ourselves. And it's really, really nice to see such events happening after COVID, and people are happy, smiling, dancing, relishing and enjoying. I love the aura. Thank you, Matu Mom. Wonderful effort and great teamwork. Thank you.
From FIFA 2021, what do you want to say about this?
FIFA is, following a worldwide campaign of the power of orange, which is against domestic violence. And I give all my support to this movement, and it becomes a great success, and domestic violence reduces and comes to a halt everywhere across the world.